Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rural farmhouse decor ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage rural farmhouse decoration is a warm, nostalgic, country-inspired decor style that blends old-fashioned rural living with diamond vintage charm. It celebrates the look of old farmhouses, country simplicity, and authentic handcrafted details. This style feels natural, lived-in, and incredibly cozy. What vintage rural farmhouse decoration is? Vintage rural farmhouse decoration is a design approach that focuses on rustic, natural materials like weathered oak, distressed furniture, exposed beams, old metal like iron, tin, or copper. Also use jute, burlap, cotton, linens. These materials bring raw countryside texture into your home. Use vintage and antique-inspired pieces. It uses items that look old, aged, or repurposed, such as old wooden cradles, vintage enamel pictures, antique clocks, old farm tools used as decor. Also, plastic shelves and handmade crafts. These add history and character. Colors are soft, warm, and natural. Uses cream, linens, and ivory. Muted greens and farmhouse shares. Uses dusty blues, soft brown, and oud tones. Faded floral and check patterns. This palette creates a welcoming rural charm. Handcrafted and simple designs. Handmade pieces play a big role, like crochet blankets, knitted cushions, embroidered tablecloths, oven baskets, DIY rustic wall hangings. These details bring a personal, homely touch. Farmhouse furniture style. Furniture is usually distressed or whitewashed, solid wood, chunky, simple, and functional, vintage inspired. Think farmhouse tables, ladder-back chairs, wooden benches, and country cabinets. Nature-inspired elements to reflect countryside life. Wildflower centers, dried wheat bundles, clay pots, fresh greenery, wicker baskets. These bring life and softness. A warm, lived-in feeling. Vintage rural farmhouse decor feels comfortable, not perfect, lived-in, not polished, welcoming, not formal. The charm comes from the imperfection and the nostalgia of country living. This style creates a home that feels like a quiet countryside retreat, a vintage farmhouse filled with memories, a charming rustic cottage with history, a warm, peaceful rural getaway. Top tips for vintage rural farmhouse decoration: mix old and new the right way. Use a blend of honor two genuine vintage items like old clocks, wooden craft, and well jug. With modern pieces that look old, distressed shelves, farmhouse lamps, this keeps the space charming but not cluttered. Use ordered oats everywhere. Choose distressed oak tables, rustic barnwood frames, cracked paint cabinets, wooden ladder shelves. The more natural texture, the more authentic the rural farmhouse feel. Keep the color palette calm and soft. Stick to cream, beige, warm white, dusty shades cream, muted blue, warm gray, faded brown. These colors instantly create a beautiful rural atmosphere. Use vintage-inspired textiles. Perfect textiles include crochet thread, embroidered pillow covers, thick patterned tablecloths, cotton and linen fabrics, ruffled or lace trim curtains. Soft fabrics add warmth and charm. Decorate with old farmhouse items. Use a few statement rural items: vintage milk cans, wicker baskets, old lanterns, iron pots, wooden baseboards, galvanized buckets. This instantly say rural farmhouse. Add natural elements simplifier. Bring nature indoors, like dried lavender with bundles, wildflowers in glass jars, clay pots, open baskets, branches or twigs in vases. Natural elements soften the entire space. Create cozy lifted corners. Make spaces feel welcoming. A reading chair with a crochet blanket. Wooden bench with soft cushions. A small vintage table with chair or books. Imperfection makes it charming. Use soft lighting. Choose warm yellow bulbs, vintage style lamps, lantern style fixtures, candles in rustic holders. Warm lighting adds sweet farmhouse coziness. Add personalized handmade touches, DIY pieces, and authenticity. Homemade wall art, repurposed wooden shelves. Use painted vintage sign, crochet table genres, and hand-woven mats. Handcrafted decor equal true rural charm. Keep it simple and clutter-free. Rural farmhouses tell us cozy but not messy. Display fewer meaningful pieces. Keep surfaces clean. Let furniture and natural textures shine. Simplicity is key. More advanced tips for vintage rural farmhouse decor. Use layered textures for depth. Layer different natural textures to create visual warmth. Use rough wood plus soft linen. Wicker baskets plus crochet blankets. Iron lanterns plus cotton curtains. Ballad table genres plus ceramic dishes. Texture is what makes farmhouse decor rich and inviting. Add rustic wall features. Try these ideas. Sheep-lap or plank wood walls. Exposed brick accents. Old plaster look. Reclaimed barnard panels. Vintage wall shelves. Even old rustic feature wall transforms the entire space. Display kitchen items as decor, perfect for farmhouse kitchen. Hanging pots and pans. Wooden spoons and chairs. Cutting boards stacked on shelves. Ceramic bowls on open shelving. Antique pictures as flower vases. Functional items become beautiful decor. Use farmhouse patterns. Add timeless rural patterns like gingham, plate, tile, faded floral sticking straps. This creates a classic countryside look instantly. A big statement vintage pieces. Choose at least one wow item per room. Like an old trunk used as a coffee table, barn door sliding, divider, big antique cabinets, iron bed frame, vintage mirror with distress frame. Large vintage pieces anchor the style beautifully. Incorporate repurposed furniture. Farmhouse style loves creative reuse. Old ladder as tile jack. Wooden cloth as a side table. Antique door as headboard. Milk can as flower stand. Iron bucket as planter. Repurposing adds charm and uniqueness. Use earthy handmade pottery. Choose pottery in terracotta, clay, matte ceramic finishes, perfect for holding flowers, utensils, or simply adding rustic character. Display items in two or threes. Farmhouse decor looks best when grouped in pairs, small clusters of three. For example, three jars, two candles, three books plus vase. This keeps styling simple and balanced. Add antique metal details like mix different owned metals like black iron, rust tin, copper accents, brass knobs. Used metal gives that true old rural farmhouse feel. At cozy farmhouse sinks, sinks can transform the atmosphere like lavender, vanilla, cinnamon, fresh linen, sandalwood, pine. Use candles, diffusers, or dried herbs for a rural farmhouse vibe. Include vintage artwork and sign. Try old farm landscape paintings, rustic typography sign, handmade old sign, vintage calendars, black and white photos in wooden frames. These bring nostalgia and heritage. Add soft ruffles and lace lightly. Small touches of ruffled pillowcases, lace runners, frilled curtains add sweetness about overwhelming the rustic look. Use open storage. Farmhouse often show their essentials like open shelves, plate racks, or baskets or the cupboards. It makes the home feel lifted, cozy, and charming. Add wooded doors and windows as decor. Hang or lean, distressed wooden frames, old farmhouse doors, window shutters. They make perfect wall art. Bring in soft pastel accents. Use faded pastel touches like chess cream, dusty rose, powder blue, warm mustard. They keep the look cheerful and gentle. Use layered rugs for warmth. Combine a chilled or oven-based rug with a smaller vintage pattern rug on top. This creates a texture and a cozy rural feeling. Add farmhouse baskets everywhere. Use baskets for blanket storage, plant holders, entryway storage, kitchen products, bathroom towels. Choose wicker, sea grass, and rattan for that countryside touch. Use old books as standing pieces. Stack vintage books on coffee tables, shelves, nightstands, into tables. Their aged pages and muted colors add character. Decorate with animal and stoneware. Display animal pictures, stoneware bowls, vintage jars, ceramic crocks. Classic rural farmhouse kitchen staples. Add a farmhouse hutch or display cabinets. A rustic display cabinet filled with platters, bowls, mason jars, animal cups, crochet linens. Instantly creates a rural farmhouse focal point. Create cozy farmhouse window areas. Use light linen curtains, open blinds, soft cushion setting, small potted plants. Perfect for a beautiful rural cottage vibe. Use crochet mimicry cream and knitted textiles. Add handmade texture like crochet runners, mimicry cream wall hangings, knitted hubs, lace towels. They bring softness and vintage charm. Mix light woods with distressed whites. Combine whitewashed furniture, light natural oak tables, rustic shelves. This blend creates this upright, airy farmhouse look. Decorate with vintage kitchen tools. Use old tools as decor, like rolling pins, wooden spoons, iron ladles, cutting boards, flower staffers. Display them on walls or shelves. Use terracotta and clay planters. Terracotta adds warm, earthy tones. Rustic countryside feel. Mix large and small pot for balance. Use farmhouse greenery. Choose natural looking greens like eucalyptus, olive branches, fringed charred eucalyptus, wildflower bundles. This look rustic and peaceful. Fill the home with simple countryside scents. Choose natural smells like herbal, woodsy, floral, fresh linen. Vanilla farmhouse warmth. Use diffusers, dried herbs, or candles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.